Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by shaping the situation, choose a quiet spot and narrow the physical distance slowly because comfort sets trust. Make clear eye contact and smile. This signals warm intent. Once done, use light, casual touch, hand on forearm or shoulder so you can read her reaction. Speak softly and confidently, say something brief that connects, a genuine compliment or a shared joke. This isn't theatrical, it's about mutual ease. Make sure to pause and watch her body language before moving closer. You now make the request, ask clearly so there's no guessing. For example, say, "May I kiss you?" in a calm voice. Explain why briefly if it helps. "I really want to, but I want you to be sure too." Once asked, pause and listen for a verbal yes or observe clear, relaxed cues like a nod or leaning in. If she hesitates, respect that pause and offer space. This clarity prevents misreading signals and shows you value consent. You complete the moment based on her answer. If she says yes, move in gently with a brief, soft kiss, then pause to check her response because mutual enjoyment matters most. If she says no or seems unsure, respect that immediately, smile, thank her for honesty, and change the subject to something neutral. If things go wrong, if she's uncertain, offer space and suggest revisiting the conversation later. If you'd like, we can talk about this another time. Always prioritize consent and care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.